And I'm solving the MSH102 test problems. Now, based on popular demand, I'll be solving this particular question. Now, even though it is the number 20 in the question paper type that I'm using, which is type 3. Now, but here is it. We're given a curve, and then we have this curve y squared x plus 3 equals 20. Now we're asked to find the gradient of the second line, which is change in y divided by change in x. So invariably, what do we do in this case is that, first of all, we know that for every increment that is caused in x, there's an increment in y as well. So we start by saying that this can be written as y plus delta y all squared equals multiplied by x plus delta x plus 3. This would be equal to 20. Now, since we have this now, one thing we can do here is that we can say y plus delta y all squared equals 20 divided by x plus delta x plus 3. Now, what are we trying to get? We're trying to make sure that we solve for change in y divided by change in x. Now, if I go further now, I can expand this. This would become y squared plus change in y squared plus delta y, 2y delta y. Now that would be on the left hand side. This is 20 x plus delta x plus 3. Now, having this now, this implies that this is just expansion using binomial expansion, this squared plus 2y delta y. Now, continuing from here now, I can say that this is the same thing as changing y squared plus 2y delta y, and then this will be equal to 20 divided by x plus delta x plus 3 minus y squared. Now, going from this now, I can actually say that this is the same thing as changing y raised to power 2 plus 2y delta y, which will be equal to 20 divided by x plus delta x plus 3 minus. Now, we know that from this first expression that we had here, y squared multiplied by x plus 3 equals 20. So this actually implies that y squared is the same thing as 20 divided by x plus 3. So using that substitution, that y squared is equals to 20 divided by x plus 3, so I can just put a 20 here, then divided by x plus 3. Now, going through this now, we then have that changing y squared plus 2y delta y equals 20, parentheses, we have 1 x plus delta x plus 3 minus 1 divided by x plus 3 right here. Then this actually here, let me just finish what is on the right hand side. That will be changing y squared plus 2y delta y equals 20. Then if you do this very well, we would have something of this nature: x plus 3 minus x plus, let's put parentheses there, that will be x plus delta x plus 3, then everything divided by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus delta x plus 3. Now, having this now, we can then simplify the numerator here. So we still have changing y squared plus 2y changing y equals 20. Now, if you do this very well, you would have a negative x, so it cancels out. You have a negative 3 here, so it cancels out. And we are left with negative delta x, everything divided by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus delta x plus 3. Now, we're almost there where we're going to. Now, let's divide through by delta x on both sides here. So if I divide this place by delta x, definitely I will divide this place too by delta x. That's just like multiplying with 1 over delta x. Now, this would cancel out, and automatically that implies that I have here changing y squared divided by delta x plus 2y changing y divided by delta x equals negative 20 divided by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus delta x plus 3. Now, to proceed from here now, since I'm actually looking for change in y over change in x, here's what I do. I factorize change in y over change in x here. Now, what will be left here? I'll be left with change in y, and for this other side, I will be left with 2y. And for this case now, I have negative 20 divided by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus change in x plus 3. Finally, I can say that change in y divided by change in x will be negative 20 divided by, so this will come down here now, and that would be 2y plus delta y multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus delta x plus 3. And what option is that? That is, the correct option is option A, which is the correct answer to this problem. I'll see you in the next one. Please follow me and subscribe.